Good morning, Ohio designers. It is Oriasin here, and today we're going to be breaking down Nightmare, starting with his hand. This is a request. I'll be showing you the inner dimensions of how to get your full, ginormous hand to function with pulleys. I'm taking a step inside to show you the inner mechanics of how everything works. If you follow me this way. Alright, let's get to the inside of this guy. Starting with the structure. Peeling back the skin, we see the skeleton is a medical brace. Expose that. So here you can see the skeleton of this entire operation is a medical brace. For your arm or elbow that I found at the thrift store, this strap, you'll take your hand, goes into the medical brace. This rests at your elbow, allowing you to secure your hand in there safely. Taking this strap that around. The pivot point is at your wrist, and the base of the brace is where your hand sits. There's the base. The top part is an Easter egg screwed into the medical brace. About right here. Get some light in this situation for you. And here's my hand. The fingers motion here is a PVC tube with notches drilled out at an angle, at a triangle, this way, so that way it can bend here and bend here. That's all then screwed into the all medical brace. So for the base again, you have the medical brace. For your leg or elbow, you can set the tension here. And you have PVC tube screwed to the medical brace with wire running through the tube that you can pull to move your finger with the loop. The thumb is a shoehorn. That way it can articulate and spring back. So you have shoehorn, PVC tube, medical brace. All that gives you the Nightmare hand. I can further break down things more, do a different video also for different things about Nightmare. Appreciate your time.